There he go. Is that a popo hole? Looks like a popo hole. What's on the back of your jet? But you're out here every night, right? Aiming your little weapons in my home. Hating on God. You're burning my foot over here. Probably the witch behind the tree over there. Where is he going? They so damn desperate to demonize the sky, climate change the sky. They got this thing out here at 12 o'clock. Midnight. They don't care about children having to get up and go to school. It's all about their little climate change. Where is he going? Is that you, Popo? Is that your Popo helicopter? What the hell is that? And why is he lowering? Ain't nothing over there but homes. There's nothing over there but homes and a Capital wire and cable. Where is he going to sit on top of Capital wire and cable? Is that where he going? But they want to play me. But they the ones out here in the ghetto. But they want to play me. Look at him. He ain't looking for nobody, believe that. He ain't looking for nobody. He back there trying to demonize the sky. Because they hate my stars are showing. This big Z out here. Where is he going? Sitting back there so he can aim his damn weapon in my home. Is that why you trying to set yourself back there so you can aim your weapons in my home? Government? I don't know what all that was on the back of that shit. Where is he going? Trying to find a spot? It's probably crowded over there. They got 100 damn jets out here for one little nigga like me. You find your spot, devil? You find your spot to aim your weapon in my home? In my bed? Look like that's where you're sitting. Is that where you're sitting? So you can aim right here? See y'all? That's my window right there. Right? So he's parking his ass back here trying to find a spot so he can aim a weapon in my home. Hey, homie.